Today, most math datasets focus only on answer correctness, silently assuming that the questions themselves are valid. In practice, this assumption often breaks. Synthetic math data frequently contains contradictions, missing conditions, or ill-posed questions. And if the question is wrong, no reasoning can fix it. So our key message is simple. Before verifying the answers, we must verify the questions. To address this, we introduce ValueMath, a golden standard benchmark for math question correctness. ValueMath contains 2,147 human-verified math questions, covering multiple domains like arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. Each question is annotated step by step, indicating where it fails if it fails. Based on ValueMath, we propose MathSQL Verify, a step-by-step pipeline for verifying math questions. Instead of a single black box decision, MathSQL Verify checks questions through multiple interpretable stages, from instruction validity to logical consistency and completeness. A question is considered valid only if it passed all steps. The step-by-step verification leads to much stronger filtering. Across multiple benchmarks, MathSQL Verify significantly improves precision. It reduces label noisy, avoid wasted computations, and produce cleaner training and evaluation data. In summary, ValueMath and MathSQL Verify provide a practical solution for validating math questions at scale. They enable more reliable datasets and more trustworthy math reasoning models. Our takeaway is simple. Reliable math reasoning starts with reliable questions. The following is our GitHub repo link. Welcome to try and use it. Thank you for listening.